Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Abutwa Tips.
That's Thibo.
Kimeja.
That's Thibo. And first of all, I'd like to thank the boys for making sure at least win.
Yeah.
It has been a while. Otherwise, I'm happy for the fact that we got 3 points. And another thing is the fact that the boys weren't consistent enough in the first half. There were like jiggles there and there. I was not happy, but coming second half, they probably showed character.
Yeah.
Those substitutions that were probably made in Tonazetu, they probably made impact.
Yeah.
Now above Velepa, so the fact that by the end of the day, we need namhlanje. I'm a pirate. Angeke basakhuluma manje angithola. Ngoba bathi bazoshaya namhlanje bazothwani but
Sebazothini manje? Sebazothini manje? Iligi yasquatini. Iligi ya Pitori Steve. Iligi ya Pitori.
Uyisho Fred Malama ngicela ukusho ngami.
Yeah.
Ngamane yekuphi ePitoli. Ilapha eScotland.
Yeah.
Ngoba yabazi ukuthi banjani
bakhuluma
khona bayokhuluma kakhulu ngeke ngilale kusho la ngo12 kholo ngizoyithola ngo12 mfana wami uyibonile iwinile iPirates umuntu anyakalalo so at least manje ngiyazi ukuthi hayi Santos mayingayibamba awa ngimnandi angithola otherwise
asekhona ukulala nabo Sherbe
yeah ngithola
yebo bona ngowani thank you nje